Of. Right. Can you explain what are the MOOCs concepts you have used?
Polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, interface.
Okay. Where, okay. Where you have used polymorphism?
Sorry.
Where in the framework, right? In the automation project, where you have used polymorphism concept.
When the situation comes to use method overloading and overriding, so they're using these concepts of polymorphism because compile time and runtime there. It can achieve the method overloading for the compile time, and the runtime it can achieve the method overriding.
Right. Are you able to tell one scenario in our project?
Uh,
Method overloading. Method overloading.
Yeah, method overloading. The process of taking multiple methods with the same method name, the signatures will be different. Method name should be same. And
Mm-hmm.
also, for example, method name same and the signatures are different. Like, for example, instead of one particular um, parameter needs to be changed, we can use for another method. There we can change. Like for example, int a, b, c there. Okay. In a parameter wise, the method public void. The method name is display one. So int a there given the value 10 and the int b value given 20. In the next method, we can take one addition of c. Okay, int a, b, c, 3 can be used here.
Okay. Fine. Right. That is right. Method name will be same. Arguments will be different. Right. Number of
Yeah,
arguments,
yeah,
type of arguments, order of
yeah,
arguments. Right. These
yeah.
three conditions to satisfy.
Yeah, and the
Right.
conditions signature wise, there are three conditions. One is the type of parameter. The another one is number of parameter. The third one is order of parameter.
Right. We should be in a position. You should be in a position to explain based on that is general. Everyone can tell. Right. You should be in a position with explain with one example with related to your project. Right. Where
Yeah.
you have used overloading.
Mm.
Right.
Yeah.
You have to know that. Okay, and
Yeah.
what is overriding?
Overriding, it means override the method. Like for example, there is a method. The method there is having some data. So we need to modify the first method. So that's why taking the same method name, same signature, the value should be different.
Okay. Do you know why we need to override?
Why we need to override? Yeah, sometimes
Hmm.
it's required. We need to override. Might be is there any we need to write any update thing, so we can update through using the override.
Right, that is the why. What is the requirement, right? Suppose see, I have a click method. Suppose, right? That
Okay.
click method is not working for all. Right, all the child classes will implement that click method, right? In the child classes, right?
Okay.
Suppose parent class click method is few classes working for one class is not working. Right. I
Yeah.
want to change the method. Signature will be same, but body I want to change it. Not working.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. I want to. You have to clearly explain what is the scenario. Right. Then only interviewer will impress. Right.
Okay.
You must be. You are able to explain the theoretical part. Right. Good. For your experience, that is fine. But it's better to right. Whenever we are preparing any scenarios in the Java, right, we have to replicate with our project. Okay, where we can implement this. why we need to implement this, what is the advantage of it.
Yeah,
Right,
got it.
those things, if we explain, we will, interviewer will get more impressed. Right, for your experience, easily you can crack it if you tell like that. Okay,
Yeah.
fine then. Coming to next one, right, what is the difference between throw and throws, POs, in the exception?
Uh, yeah. So throw you can throw the manually the exception. Throws we are writing the exception like using interruption exception. Mm,
Okay, fine. Right. Throw
yeah.
is used to throw the our own exception. Right. Or we can throw our own exception. Right. Or existing we can throw new equal to right throw new exception or existing exception we can throw it. Or if you want a throws right, we will use in the method signature. Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Throws keyword will intimate the caller function to handle the exception. Right, we have
Yeah.
to, right, you have to, wherever you are lacking, right, note down those questions. Okay, just prepare well on those things.
Yeah.
Okay, exception handling, maybe you need to prepare more. And then collections, coming to collection, what is the difference between set and list?
Set and list. So list allows the duplicate. Sorry. List allows the duplicate, and set does not allow the duplicates. So list is maintain the insertion order. Set does not. There is no guaranteed order. And list implements array list, linked list. Set implements the hash set, trace set.
Okay, okay, good. Now I have a one question, a scenario question. Right, I don't want to store duplicates. I want to store unique values, but I want to maintain the order. Right. I
Hmm.
don't want to allow duplicates. I want to maintain the order. Which collection you will choose?
Trace set. It's a natural order. It's not
Right.
allow any
My
duplicate.
question is, whatever order I will insert, the same order should display.
Oh,
Reset
order
will
should
display the
be
same order.
okay. Okay, order should be same. What we given the input that should be same, but it's not allow the duplicate one.
Right.
Um, hash set.
Asset will preserve the order.
But there is no order on hash sets.
Right. Do you hear about the linked asset?
Sorry.
Linked asset. Did you hear? Do you know about it? Linked asset.
Yeah, but didn't work on it. Yeah.
Okay, that is the quick answer for it. Linked aspect, what it will do, it will not allow duplicates because it is a set interface child class. So it will not
Okay.
allow duplicates. And additional feature is it will whatever order we will insert right, same order it will display linked aspect.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, fine there. Now quickly we'll jump into Selenium. Alright. Now what is the difference between explicit and fluent wait?
Explicit and fluent. Fluent explicit is a part of in the fluent wait. There are weights like three types: page load time, implicity, and explicity. Explicit is the part of the fluent wait, where sometimes the dynamic web pages are loading. So for using the this explicity, wait sometime to find the element is appear or not. If it is not, I mean, meanwhile in the time, if it is appear, then okay. If it is not appear, it will throw the error.
Mhm. Okay. What type of error it will throw?
Timeout exception.
Okay. Okay. What is the stale element exception?
Sorry, stale?
Stale element exception. Did you hear about it?
Oh, no idea.
Maybe. Okay, note down it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that is important question. Definitely we can get it. One question on it.
Yeah.
Suppose if I want to scroll down my page entire down, I want to scroll my page entire down. How you will achieve it?
Using JavaScript executor.
Okay. Do you remember what is the syntax of it?
Um, Basically, I never tried that. I haven't get a chance to
Okay,
do.
no,
Yeah.
no
I'll
issues.
put on description.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is a scroll to method. Right, just write down that. Right, syntax are important. We have to
Okay.
tell. Write down that.
Yeah.
And then right, suppose I have a scenario like I have a menu. If I mouse over, child menus will come. If I mouse over, child menus will populate, and I want to click on the child menu. Right, how you will do it?
Yeah. Using the action classes. So we are find out the element. For example, there is a home. Under the home, there are many child elements. If we mouse hover on home, then we'll display the below options under the home. So using the action classes for find out the locator for the home, and using the action classes, forgot that exactly that method, like element visible by something. We can use like index one and visible text.
Right, those are all expert conditions. Right.
Yeah.
Actions class means what it will do. We have to move to element. There is a method called move to element. We have to give the which element we have to move.
Yes. Yes.
Then
Yeah.
we have to click on normal click. We can click on the child element. Right. We
Yeah.
must right. You should be in a position to tell syntaxes are right as a 3 years experience. Right. We must. They will ask basic questions only. We must be in a position to write down syntaxes.
Okay.
Right. Otherwise, we will miss the opportunity. Right?
Okay.
Syntaxes are very, very important. Not they will not ask big questions as or experience. Right? These type of questions, JavaScript execute or reaction class, right? They will ask. Simple. They will ask to write down the syntax. Simple.
Okay.
Right? You have to practice it. Okay. Then
Yeah.
right, coming to suppose right, do you have idea on frames?
Yeah.
Okay. I have a child frame. Okay. Parent
Okay.
frame, child frame. Then in the child frame, I have a text box. How to enter the text target in the child.
Yeah. First of all, there are two frames. So first of all, we can find the using uh, oh, you are asking about frames. So, okay. So we one from one frame to another frame in a HTML doc, we need to first of all find out the frame frame. So using driver dot switch to dot frame, and the frame ID we need to um, find out in the developer tools. So driver dot switch to dot frame.
Mhm. Okay. Right. Frames we can switch to multiple ways either by using index, right, ID or name
Yeah.
or web element. These three ways we
Okay.
can. But first we have to switch to parent. Directly you cannot switch to child frame. First we have to switch to parent frame. Then
Yeah.
parent frame to again child frame. Then we have to enter the text. But if you want to
Okay.
come out of it, directly we can come to main page by using default of content. Right.
Yeah.
Right. That's fine. Then coming to Cucumber, right? What? if I want to run any scenario, right, from the Cucumber, how you will run it?
Yeah. So Cucumber is a behavioral driven development. It supports Jerkin language. It's a human readable. It's a simple English. So writing the scenarios, we are using the keywords like at the rate, given, when, then, and. These are the scenario like a test case we are writing. First of all, there is a future. For example, login, um, validation. So, and the scenario is verifying the validation at the date given user in the home page, at the date when user enter the username and the password, then submit. So, this is the scenario for the test case. We need to write in the dot futures file.
Right. Now I want to run the scenario. Right. How to run it?
We need to write the glue code under the step definition and create the test runner class in the Cucumber using Cucumber at the rate Cucumber options.
In the Cucumber options, what options we need to do?
Um, it will run for the test.
Mhm.
mm,
We need to tell, right, for Cucumber option, where is my feature file, where is my step definition file.
yeah,
Right. Do
the
you
step
remember what are the
definition.
tags?
The step definition file you can create source under test. We can create a folder there. We can write
No, no, no.
say,
My
uh,
question is test runner, about test runner, not the anything. In test runner, we have a Cucumber at the rate Cucumber options, right?
yeah.
If you want to run in the Cucumber options, what are the attributes we will give? Do you remember? Right,
Tags also you can use there.
right. There features we can give where the glue code. Glue code means step definition files. Right,
Yeah,
like tags as I mentioned.
yeah.
Right, we have to tell those things. That is the important.
Okay.
Right, and then okay, fine. Then do you have idea on Maven?
Maven, no, actually creating Maven projects only, basically.
Mhm.
That's only, yeah.
Okay. Are you executing in multiple browsers or only single browser?
Single browser only. I mean,
Chrome only.
uh,
Mm.
yeah, driver, Chrome driver. We are checking basically multiple drivers like Chrome driver or Firefox. At a time, we can't check multiple one by one.
Mhm.
Like, first of all, I'm checking this one and then next browser.
Okay, you will execute first in the Chrome and then Firefox.
Firefox, yeah.
Okay. Suppose if any test case is working in Chrome, Firefox is not working, right? Then what
Yeah.
you will do to run it?
Here, here, first of all, I need to be check the WebDriver.
Mhm.
It will first of all, yeah, we need to check the WebDriver first for Chrome. I mean, I'm using a third party WebDriver manager. It will download helps for the any browser. So we don't need to download and we need to build the path directly. It
Okay.
will help. Yeah.
Okay. But my question is, right? Some of the element, one element is in Chrome, it is working, right? In the Firefox, it's not working.
Okay.
Then how you
So
will fix it?
maybe I need to be check the element. Basically, we are getting
Oh,
error like this element is not found. Maybe we are getting a definitely error. So based on the, for example, if I have taken ID in that browser, also taken ID, but it's not giving the output. I mean, it will not run. So maybe I can use the XPath for both.
okay, okay. That's fine. All right. Then that's it, Balaji.